I think the first thing or the first mistake we make is our attitude. So a lot of people seem to believe that Ramadan is merely a pause button on our evil deeds, on our bad habits. In fact, Ramadan is not just a pause button, rather, it's a refresher course in which we need to refresh our iman, our practices, our worship, and our general taqwa. We need to improve on that rather than just to pause it for a month, then go back to the same old routine. Ramadan should come, and as it leaves, it should make us more muttaqi than before. That's the idea. The second thing that we do is, I think we lose a lot of goodness because when in Ramadan we need to detox not just our souls but detox our bodies. Overeating in Ramadan, in the sahar, in the iftar, suhoor is so heavy, fried items, all sorts of goodies instead of the halal and tayyib. So let's switch to nutrition and nutrition serving foods and health providing foods instead of going all out and eating like anything at the when we break our fast. So this is the second thing. The third thing is that this time when the fast begins and the fast ends is a beautiful time of the acceptance of dua. And let's not spend that time in social media, in socializing in general, these huge lavish iftars. It's a great thing to have family together. It's a good family time. As a child, I remember we used to have all these things at home. But let's not have too much socialization and socializing at the time of the iftar and big, huge parties. If you have so much to spend, give it away to the deserving people. And if you have even more than that, give even more. But it's the month of giving. Let's not spend this time on social media or socializing on people. Let's give this time to the actual worth of Ramadan and dua. To remember, most importantly, that these 24 hours of the day Ramadan are beautiful days to improve on our lives. Make that the purpose instead of just the fast. Because the Prophet ﷺ said that in Ramadan, the days of the fast and the night is for the Quran. For the night, which means when you're off the fast, you have the energy now, go to the Quran. Spend time reciting it, understanding it, and making yourself a promise and a resolution to act upon it. That makes the Ramadan really, really effective. And may Allah make your Ramadan and our Ramadan so effective. May it become the light of blessing for us, for me and you, for all the Muslims, and may it also become light of guidance for those who are not yet Muslims.